Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have Hama 7020 watch, and today I'm going to show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. So let's get started. So first thing you will need to do is to turn on your watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the upper button. Keep holding the button until you see the logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up. And once it's done booting up, you probably will see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list, find the language you would like to use on your watch, and then tap on the check mark to confirm. As you can see, it tells us to download and install the Hamafit Move application. You can swipe left to open the QR code, and you can use this code to download the application. I'm gonna just download it from the App Store. And to download the application, we need to make sure that we have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the Play Store. And here, tap on search, tap on the search bar and type in Hamafit Move. And tap on search. And here we have it on the list of apps, Hamafit Move. Install it. And once you install this application, open it. Like this. In the app, you can log into an account basically. The advantages of having an account is basically that you will keep your data after you, let's say, unpair the watch or factory reset the watch. You can also use the app without making an account by tapping on Start to Use and then agreeing to the terms of use. I'm gonna use it without the account for now, but if you want to keep the data, I recommend to make an account. Let's allow the permissions. The app will start searching for the devices. It should detect your 7020 watch. Tap on it to select it. Tap on pair. Confirm on the watch. If you see this, tap on finish. It will bring you to this page. Here you can select the country or region. So basically scroll through the list, find the region you want, select it. Then I'm gonna set up my profile. Just keep tapping to set some data. You can set it to your liking or your stats, but I don't really care. I'm gonna just select something random. And here again, you can register a new account if you want to. I'm just gonna tap on later. Okay, and here we have permissions for some stuff. If you want to use all of the features of the watch, you will need to allow them. If you don't care, you can deny them, but some of the features might not work. Okay. As you can see, we have been, you have info that Google Fit was replaced by Health Connect. I'm just gonna tap on OK. And we can turn on the notifications. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch, you can enable them and it will basically show you the notifications from your phone on your watch. If you don't care, you can tap on turn off notifications. If you want to turn them on, tap on turn on. Scroll through the list, find the Hama Move. Where is it? Hamafit Move. Tap on the switch next to allow notification access, allow it. And once you allow the notification access, you can go back like this. And here we can also set the goal for steps and stuff like that. Notifications, we can enable them or disable them. Notifications for calls. And also the music control, we can enable it or disable it. And the unit formats, so you can also set the format for units. And once you're done, tap on yes. Here we have a home page. And if you tap on device, you should see your Smartwatch 7020, and if you wake up the screen on your watch, it should be ready to use. So basically that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.